Welcome to the session of online teaching. Children, today I am going to teach you comparison of adjective. As you know, there are three degrees of comparison of adjective. The first one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, and the third one is superlative degree. Children, as you know, positive degree is used. It's a simple form of adjective and it is used when we are talking about only one person. We are telling about the quality of only one person. There is no sense of comparison. And comparative, for example, Aruna is a clever girl. Here we are talking about only Aruna. Then next is comparative degree. Degree denotes a higher degree of quality than the positive. So it is used when two nouns are compared. For example, Aruna is cleverer than Niti. Then next is superlative degree. Superlative degree denotes the highest quality. It is used when more than two nouns are compared. The definite article the is used before an adjective in the superlative degree. For example, Aruna is the cleverest girl. So the definite article and the cleverest, this is superlative degree. So this is the superlative degree. In these way we are comparing the things. There is another way in which we can compare nouns. Instead of saying Aruna is cleverer than Niti, we can say Niti is less clever than Aruna. Superlative degree with most is sometimes used when there is no idea of comparison. Means when we are not comparing, but we are talking about higher quality, but comparison is not there. Then we are using most. This kind of superlative are known as a superlative of eminence or absolute superlative. For example, it was a most eloquent speech. अब यहाँ पे जो हम speech की बात कर रहे हैं, here we are talking about only this speech ना, we are not comparing it. So here we use most to tell the higher quality of this, but sense of comparison is not there. So that kind of superlatives are known as superlative of eminence. Now let's see how we form the comparative and superlative degree. When there are most adjective are of one syllable, means, and then when one syllable is there or sum of more than one, these form the comparative by adding er or superlative by adding est to the positive. For example, small, smaller, smallest, kind, kinder, kindest, bold, bolder, boldest. Now next is when the positive ends in e only, then r and st added. For example, brave, braver, bravest, wise, wiser, wisest. Now next is when positive ends in y, जब ये y पे फिनिश हो रहा है एंड देन प्रिसीडेड बाय ए कॉन्सोनेंट और उससे पहले एक कॉन्सोनेंट आ रहा है, then y is changed into or before into I before adding er or est. For example, happy. Now you can see y is this end is with the y, and before that consonant p is there. So now y will change into I, and then it become happier, happiest, then wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Now next rule is that when the positive is a word of one syllable and ends in single consonant. अब जो आपका पॉजिटिव वर्ड जो है दैट इज़ वन सिलेबल वर्ड है, लाइक जैसे हम पहले भी स्मॉल, काइंड एंड बोल्ड की बात कर रहे थे, एंड देन इट एंड्स इन अ सिंगल कॉन्सोनेंट. अब कॉन्सोनेंट ओनली वन है और बिफोर दैट वोवल इज देयर. दिस कॉन्सोनेंट इज डबल्ड बिफोर एडिंग ई आर और ई एस टी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल रेड. अब रेड जो है वन सिलेबल वर्ड है एंड रेड डी इज द ओनली कॉन्सोनेंट हेयर और बिफोर डी वॉवल इज देयर ई. तो देन इट बिकम रेडर, रेडेस्ट, देन हॉट, हॉटर, हॉटेस्ट. एंड देन नेक्स्ट इज when positive of more than two syllables and many of those with two form the comparative by using the adverb more with the positive and the superlative by using adverb most with the positive. क्या करते हैं जब हमारे पास एडजेक्टिव में दो जो सिलेबल हैं, मोर देन टू सिलेबल्स आर देयर, देन more than two syllables, and then here how can we form the comparative and super? We will put only more and most with that. Beautiful, beautiful. So you can see three pauses are there. So like these words we can say more than two syllable. Beautiful, difficult. So like that, when more than two syllables are there, then we put more and most in comparative and superlative. For example, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Note, when two objects are compared with each other, the later term of the comparison must exclude the former. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आयन इज़ मोर यूजफुल देन एनी अदर मेटल. तो जब हम ऐसे उसको कंपेयर कर रहे हैं विद अदर थिंग, ठीक है, तो देन जो लेटर फॉर्म ऑफ कंपैरिजन है उसको हम इसमें से फॉर्मर को एक्सक्लूड कर देंगे. आयन इज़ मोर यूजफुल देन एनी अदर मेटल. ओके, गॉट इट. Now next is comparative followed by to. In the following comparatives that end in OR, जो हमारे पास जो comparatives हैं जो OR पे finish हो रहे हैं, that are followed by to instead of than, वहाँ पे हम than use नहीं करेंगे, we will use to. Like she is inferior to Nisha in intelligence, ये नहीं कहेंगे she is inferior than Nisha, no, she is inferior to Nisha in intelligence. Then superior, our goods are superior to those coming from abroad. So जो आपके OR पे finish हो रहे हैं, there than will not be used. Here we will use to with that. She is inferior to Nisha. Our goods are superior to those coming from abroad. James is junior to all his brother. All his cousins are senior to him. This event took place prior to the First World War. So please keep this thing in your mind. When comparatives end with OR, this is followed by are followed by to instead of than. Now let's see the correct use of some adjectives. Later, later, latest, latest. Here later and latest, this refers to the time, so it is used for the time. And the latter, last, this is refers to the position, so accordingly you have to use. Like Anita arrived later than I expected. We have not heard the latest news. So this is used for a time. Now later chapter are very short. Last chapter is very interesting. So this refers to the position. Now elder, older, eldest, oldest. Elder and eldest are used for only the person who is related to the family members, not for the animals or the things. Their use is now confined to only members of the same family. Then is not used with than. Elder को हम than के साथ use नहीं करेंगे. Older and oldest are used for both persons and things. Elder और eldest को हम things के लिए use नहीं कर सकते, but older और oldest we can use for person also and things also. Like Joe is my elder brother. He is not my eldest brother. He is older than my sister. This is the oldest temple in Goa. So like this we can use. It is used for things also, persons also. Next is farther and further. Farther means more distant or advanced. Further means additional. Kolkata is farther from the equator than Colombo. I must have a reply without further delay. The nearest and next. Nearest denotes the distance and next denotes the position. Mumbai is the port nearest to Kochi. My friend lives in the next house. So accordingly we have to use. That's all for today's session. Thank you. Have a nice day.